What is up, guys? This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this French-sounding grape grown in the south of France. We are looking at how to pronounce Mourvèdre. Mourvèdre. For the typical French pronunciation, if you are able to pronounce the French R, which is quite specific, you have to say Mourvèdre. Mourvèdre. The typical French pronunciation is Mourvèdre, but in English you can say Mourvèdre. Mourvèdre. Note that in Spanish Mourvèdre is known as Monastrell. Monastrell. I made an entire video if you want to learn more about the grape variety and the wines made from Mourvèdre. Where are the wines from Mourvèdre coming from? Where are they grown? What are some of the best wines in Spain and in France grown from Mourvèdre? And what sort of wine do they make out of Mourvèdre? I'll leave you to it to watch that video, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.